Welcome back to my channel. Now this is the end of the rotten suspended floors jobs. As you can see, we put a brand new soil pipe in. We had to change the joists. We had to re-pipe. We had to lag all the pipes. There's a lot of work on this job, especially just for this one little bathroom. Now we built some stud walls. We've obviously piped it all. As this was for my tiled supplier, she supplied all the material. So she gave me hardy backer boards. We dot and dabbed them. I had to pick a place for the alcove because I had to block a window up on this job. You can see I wrote cut on the wall. You can see that we're going ahead tiling the walls. Now the tiles were massive. They were 1200 by 600 tiles. We done herringbone click floor run from the hallway into the bathroom. Absolute nightmare to fit this stuff, going under every single door line in, trying to make sure it all fit, and then finishing it in the bathroom. She went with all brass fitting, so that meant brass pipe, which is a bit of a pain to connect the brass pipes up, but we got there. As you can see, it's a lovely little bathroom. It's all very modern. The alcove on this job, mind this alcove, they're absolutely great to fit. You just make sure you got the opening behind and they just slide in and you silicone them to the wall. You can see it in the distance over there. They're absolutely lovely. Now it is a small room. There is no window because the customer decided to block it up. But there's plenty of light in here. We put some spotlights in. There is a lit mirror on the wall, but there you can see the cable. So I think there's another video on this you're going to see, and you can see the actual lit mirror in that. And just showing you the shower tray, it has built-in grip. You can't really see it in the video, but there. And here's just a final walkthrough now. We're just going ahead, walking through into the bathroom. I've got the lights on now. The lit mirror should be in view on your left-hand side, but there, so you can see that. It's a nice effect with two different tiles going on in this bathroom. We've got the toilet sorted. Everything's isolated for the customer so she can turn it off. We run a new stopcock in on the property as well. We're just walking into the shower tray. This is a touch shower as well. You just press a button and it turns on, so there's no valves to turn. It is a bit different. Obviously, we're just panning around now to show you the toilet and the basin. It's got a built-in shelf where you just slide into the grout line and silicone in, which I like. Nice, simple, effective room. As you can see, it's been a lot of work in this house. We changed every single floor for this suspended floor job, but we got there in the end. Here's the tap. I should have showed you operating the tap. These are a bit crazy, these ones. You just tip them back and turn and then they work. And we're just panning around to show you the final results of this bathroom. And here's my little brass rad valves. Nice, subtle finish. I do like the brass. It's coming back. They got copper fittings now as well, which is nice. Give us a like and subscribe. That'd be great.